Unveiling today's wildest home gadgets. Welcome to the world of contemporary crazy gadgets for your home. In this video, we'll explore some of the most innovative and futuristic devices that can revolutionize your living space. In today's world, contemporary gadgets have woven themselves deeply into the fabric of daily life. The allure of the latest technology is not just about the novelty but also about the profound impact these devices have on efficiency and convenience. From waking up to a programmed coffee maker to scheduling cleaning via a smartphone, these gadgets not only save time but also enhance the quality of life by allowing us to focus more on what matters. Imagine a robotic vacuum cleaner that not only cleans but learns your home's layout and your cleaning habits. This device uses AI to optimize its cleaning path, ensuring no corner is left untouched. It adapts to changes in its environment, making it a perfect housekeeping companion that works quietly and efficiently. A smart fridge represents a leap towards intelligent food management. It tracks what's stored inside and uses this data to suggest recipes, helping to minimize food waste and inspire culinary creativity. Imagine the convenience of seeing a recipe pop up on the fridge door that uses exactly what you have on hand. The high-tech toilet seat is redefining the concept of personal comfort in the bathroom. With features like a built-in bidet, temperature control, and even mood lighting, it offers a luxurious and eco-friendly alternative to traditional bathroom fixtures, providing comfort and hygiene at the touch of a button. Voice-activated technology has entered the realm of waste management through a smart trash can that differentiates between recyclables and waste. This device enhances the eco-friendliness of a household, making recycling an effortless part of daily life. Just by using your voice, you can ensure that waste goes where it should, seamlessly integrating sustainable habits into the home. The Bluetooth-enabled coffee maker is revolutionizing morning routines. With customizable brew settings, users can adjust strength, temperature, and timing via a smartphone app. This feature allows for a perfect cup of coffee tailored to individual preferences, ensuring every sip is exactly as desired, all from the comfort of your bed. Next, we delve into the world of sanitation with the UV sanitizing wand. This portable device uses ultraviolet light to kill germs and bacteria on any surface, including other gadgets. It's an essential tool for maintaining cleanliness in the home, especially in areas where hygiene is paramount. The smart mirror offers more than just reflections. It provides real-time weather updates and personalized beauty advice, making morning routines smoother. Whether you're deciding what to wear or how to do your makeup, this mirror helps you start your day with confidence and ease. For the health-conscious, wearable fitness trackers are a game changer. These devices continuously monitor heart rate, steps, and sleep patterns, providing insights into your health and helping you achieve fitness goals. With real-time data at your fingertips, maintaining a healthy lifestyle has never been easier. Lastly, the smart garden device is perfect for those who love gardening but lack the time or expertise. It adjusts water and nutrient levels automatically, ensuring your plants thrive. Whether you're growing herbs, flowers, or vegetables, this device takes the guesswork out of gardening, making it accessible to everyone. Wireless charging furniture is revolutionizing the way we power our devices, seamlessly integrating technology into our daily lives. Imagine coffee tables and desks that charge your phone simply by placing it on the surface. This not only eliminates clutter from cords but also adds a touch of modern convenience to any living space. Hydration is crucial for maintaining health, and smart water bottles are here to ensure you never fall short. These bottles track your daily water intake and use glowing lights to remind you when it's time to take a sip. It's a simple yet effective tool for boosting your hydration habits with a tech-savvy twist. Home security has never been more advanced with the latest smart locks and security systems. These devices not only allow you to lock and unlock your doors remotely but also provide real-time alerts and video footage. Enhancing your home's safety is now more convenient and accessible, giving you peace of mind wherever you are. Pet owners can now interact with their pets even when they're away, thanks to innovative pet cameras. These devices are equipped with treat dispensers and two-way audio, making it possible to soothe and reward your pet from any location. It's a delightful way to stay connected and ensure your pet feels loved, even from afar. Language barriers are becoming a thing of the past with portable, AI-powered translation devices. These handy gadgets provide real-time translation across multiple languages, making travel and international communication smoother and more accessible. Whether you're negotiating a deal or asking for directions, these devices ensure you're never lost in translation. Window cleaning robots are revolutionizing how we maintain our homes. These high-tech devices cling to glass surfaces and methodically wipe away dirt and smudges, ensuring your views are spotlessly clear. They're especially useful for high and hard-to-reach windows, making them a safe and efficient choice for homeowners. Programmable mood lighting systems are transforming home environments. By adjusting colors and brightness, these systems can enhance your mood or complement activities such as reading or relaxing. Some even sync with your music or movies, providing a fully immersive experience that promotes a unique and personalized atmosphere in your home. Smart thermostats are a game changer for energy efficiency and comfort. By learning your schedule and preferences, they adjust the heating and cooling automatically. They also consider real-time weather conditions, ensuring that your home is always at the perfect temperature, saving you money and reducing energy consumption. Digital art frames are bringing museums into the living room. These frames display a rotating gallery of artworks, from classic masterpieces to contemporary works. Users can often customize the playlist of art displayed, ensuring that the ambience of the room always matches their personal taste and mood. Smart cookers are making precision cooking accessible to everyone. Controlled via an app, these devices let you choose exact temperatures and cooking times, replicating gourmet recipes flawlessly. Whether you're slow cooking a roast or sous videing a steak, smart cookers ensure a perfect result every time, appealing to both novice cooks and culinary experts. The noise masking sleep device represents a groundbreaking approach to enhancing sleep quality. By emitting soothing sounds that neutralize ambient noise, this device can create a tranquil environment conducive to rest. Its technology is designed to adapt to different sleep stages, ensuring deep, uninterrupted sleep for users in noisy environments. Smart showers are revolutionizing the way we use water at home. With advanced sensors to control temperature and flow rate, they provide an optimal shower experience while conserving water. The device's ability to remember user preferences adds a personal touch, making each shower perfectly tailored to individual needs. Facial recognition technology and smart doorbells adds an extra layer of security to homes. These devices can identify visitors, alert homeowners to their presence, and even deny entry to unrecognized individuals. This technology not only enhances security but also offers convenience by allowing remote monitoring and control. Compact and efficient, the latest smart home gym equipment is designed to cater to fitness enthusiasts with limited space. These modular devices can be configured for various workouts, providing full-body exercise solutions. Integrated apps help track progress and offer virtual coaching, making effective training accessible at home. The 3D food printer is pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity, allowing users to design and create intricate, customized meals. From creating perfect pasta shapes to crafting elaborate cake decorations, this printer offers endless possibilities to explore new culinary landscapes, making it an exciting addition to any modern kitchen. Innovative smart pillows are transforming the way we sleep by integrating technology that tracks sleep patterns and plays soothing music. These pillows come with sensors that monitor movement and breathing, adjusting their firmness to ensure optimal comfort throughout the night. The added feature of playing calming sounds makes falling asleep easier and more relaxing. Next-generation wireless sound systems are elevating home theater experiences. With advanced connectivity and superior sound quality, these systems create an immersive audio environment that replicates a cinematic experience. Easy to install and control, they seamlessly integrate with other smart home devices, enhancing entertainment and daily living with rich, clear audio. Smart fish tanks are a boon for aquatic enthusiasts, automating essential tasks like feeding, filtration, and pH balance maintenance. These tanks use sensors to monitor water conditions and adjust settings to ensure a healthy environment for the fish. The automation helps reduce the time and effort required for tank maintenance. The self-cleaning litter box is a game changer for cat owners. This smart device automatically removes waste, seals it in a lined compartment, and eliminates odors, keeping the home environment fresh and clean. It's especially beneficial for busy pet owners, reducing the chore of daily scooping and maintaining hygiene. High-tech adjustable beds are revolutionizing sleep with their ability to monitor and adapt to individual sleep patterns. These beds can adjust their angles and firmness throughout the night to improve comfort and support. Additionally, they often come with features like temperature control and massage, further enhancing sleep quality and relaxation. Touch-free soap dispensers have revolutionized hygiene, offering both convenience and conservation. These devices detect hand presence with sensors, dispensing a pre-adjusted amount of soap. This not only curtails waste but also minimizes the spread of germs, making them ideal for both homes and public spaces where sanitation is paramount. A smart teapot is the perfect companion for tea enthusiasts. It remembers your last brewing time and replicates it, ensuring a consistent taste with every pot. The device can be programmed via an app, allowing you to customize brewing times for different types of tea, making each cup a personalized experience. The advent of smart baby monitors has brought peace of mind to parents everywhere. Equipped with night vision and the ability to track vital signs, these devices ensure children are safe, even in the dead of night. Parents can monitor their baby's well-being directly from their smartphones, ensuring immediate attention when necessary. Modular sofas represent the next step in furniture innovation, blending comfort with technology. Controlled via an app, these sofas can change shapes and configurations to fit any space or occasion. Whether you're hosting a large gathering or a quiet night in, the modular sofa adapts to meet your needs seamlessly. Smart induction cooktops are transforming kitchens into havens of efficiency and safety. They automatically adjust temperatures based on the cookware used and the type of food being prepared. This precision not only ensures perfectly cooked meals but also significantly reduces the risk of burning or undercooking food. Imagine transforming any ordinary surface into a smart touch interface. This cutting-edge gadget utilizes advanced sensors and software to detect and interpret touch, making any desk or wall interactive. It's perfect for presentations, creative projects, or turning your living room wall into a giant tablet. Voice-controlled assistants are becoming the central hub of modern smart homes. By simply speaking commands, users can control lights, temperature, and even home security systems. This integration allows for a seamless, hands-free experience that enhances convenience and efficiency, making everyday tasks simpler and more enjoyable. For the creative and personalized touch in home or office decor, consider a compact desktop laser engraver. This device can etch detailed designs onto various materials, including wood, leather, and metal, offering endless possibilities for customizing gifts, creating unique art pieces, or branding personal belongings. Travel meets technology with the smart suitcase that not only secures your belongings with anti-theft features but also follows you autonomously. Equipped with GPS tracking and robotic technology, this suitcase ensures a hassle-free travel experience, especially in crowded airports, by staying by your side at all times. Reflecting on these innovative gadgets, it's clear that technology continues to redefine the boundaries of convenience and functionality in our homes. From turning any surface into an interactive play, managing tasks through voice commands, to ensuring our belongings are safe during travels, these advancements simplify and enrich our daily lives. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.